Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Deux-Montagnes, Quebec, is a charming town sitting on the north shore of the Ottawa River, right by the Lake of Two Mountains. Deux-Montagnes means two mountains in French. It's a beautiful spot where water, nature, and a touch of history come together. Deux-Montagnes has roots going back centuries. Originally, it was a gathering place for indigenous peoples, and then French settlers arrived in the 17th century, attracted by the fertile land and the connection to the river for trade and transportation. The lake and surrounding landscape still make it a great place to explore, whether you enjoy boating, fishing, or just soaking in the views. Today, Deux-Montagnes is home to around 20,000 people. It's a small, friendly town where you can find peaceful neighborhoods, local shops, and parks. Its location makes it a nice getaway from the busy city life of nearby Montreal, which is just about a 40-minute drive away. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Deux-Montagnes, Quebec.
watching.